sabi ng mga Bible scholar, no? Every year, his parents went to Jerusalem for the feast of the Passover. So, ibig sabihin yung family niya, dinadala ang kanilang mga anak sa house of God. Kaya si Ate Beck, palapakan natin. Nasaan si Ate Beck? Ayan si John Vic, si Richard, at saka ang kanyang pamangkin, no? Si John Paul, galing pang Las Piñas. And when he was 12 years old, when he was 12 years old, they went up to the feast according to the custom, no? So may fiesta, no? After the feast was over, while his parents were returning home, the boy Jesus stayed behind in the mall. Ay, hindi pala. Stayed behind in Jerusalem in the temple. So, uwian na, pero Jello, ayaw pang umuwi ni Jesus. Gusto nyo pa nag-i-stay sa presence ni Lord. I decree and declare na si Jello, mahal niya ang presence ni Lord.
Amen.
Na mas gusto niya mag-stay sa presence ni Lord kaysa gumawa ng mga iba-ibang bagay. Tama? Yan. Okay. At hinanap siya ng parents niya, no? Tapos sabi niya, ba't mo naman kami ganito? Kinabahan si Mary kasi 3 days na. Anak, bakit mo naman kami ganito? Sabi niya, why have you treated us this way? Na-stress kami. Your father and I have been anxiously searching for you. Aba, sumagot si Jesus.